Keto Trim Reviews 2023. Lose weight naturally and effectively. One supplement that has emerged as a helpful ally for anyone on a keto journey is Keto Trim. This blog post will explore my story, Keto Trim's origins, its benefits, and how it can support your keto or low-carb lifestyle. My story. Like many people, I have struggled with my weight and maintaining a healthy diet for most of my life. That's when I discovered Keto Trim and decided to try it. What makes Keto Trim special? Keto Trim is a supplement formulated with a patented white kidney bean extract called Phase 2 Carb Controller. Phase 2 Carb Controller has been shown to decrease the digestion of complex carbohydrates by up to 66% when used in conjunction with diet and exercise. Why I am reviewing Keto Trim. In my journey to shed some weight, I turned to Keto Trim, which did not disappoint. My craving for unhealthy snacks disappeared, replaced by a satisfying fullness post-meals. What is Keto Trim? Brand and background. Keto Trim is a groundbreaking product in the realm of dietary supplements, designed to aid weight loss and carve out a healthier lifestyle. FDA approved and US-based manufacturing. Keto Trim is produced in the United States in an FDA-approved facility, ensuring the highest safety standards and product integrity. 5 benefits of Keto Trim for diet and weight loss. Keto Trim works wonders in addressing weight control and dietary needs. Weight control. Keto Trim assists in managing weight more efficiently by enhancing metabolism and fat burning, leading to sustainable weight loss. Keto Trim ingredients. White kidney bean extract. This principal ingredient enhances the product's effectiveness in aiding weight loss. White kidney beans, also known as Phaseolus vulgaris, have been used for years in dietary supplements due to their unique nutritional properties. Carb blocking. White kidney bean extract is renowned for its function as a carb blocker. It inhibits the enzyme alpha amylase, which is instrumental in converting carbohydrates into sugar. By blocking this process, the excess carbs aren't stored as fat in the body, supporting weight management. Does Keto Trim work? The energy boost was real and sustained, positively influencing my fitness routine and weight loss goals. Regarding other user experiences, the reviews paint a similar narrative. People have championed Keto Trim for aiding their weight loss journeys and promoting healthier lifestyles. How to use Keto Trim. The recommended dosage for Keto Trim is 1 capsule taken before a meal high in starch. Keto Trim should be used with a sensible diet and regular exercise program for optimal results. Customer reviews. Several Keto Trim customers have shared their success stories and positive experiences. People have mentioned feeling less hungry, experiencing improved weight loss results, and managing their carb cravings more effectively. Buyer's Guide. Is Keto Trim right for you? Keto Trim fits individuals who manage their weight effectively and seek an energy boost. Similarly, individuals struggling with controlling their food cravings might find Keto Trim helpful due to its appetite suppression properties. Contraindications. When to avoid. Keto Trim is not recommended for individuals allergic to any of its ingredients. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement, especially if you have any underlying health concerns or are taking medications. Common questions. A. Each bottle of Keto Trim contains 60 capsules. A. No, Keto Trim is available for purchase without a prescription. Final thoughts. Wish I could try it. My journey with Keto Trim has been transformative not only in terms of weight loss but also in managing my carb cravings and sticking to a low-carb lifestyle. With this supplement's right approach and support, a healthier, happier life could be around the corner. Buy Keto Trim. Now that we've explored the benefits and heard from satisfied customers, you might wonder how to incorporate Keto Trim into your routine. The official store offers various purchasing options, from a single bottle to special promotions for buying multiple bottles, providing flexibility to cater to individual preferences.